Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. This video I like to present you a small throwback memories of my year 2020, wherein I have utilized the spring season of 2020 to do organic gardening in my backyard, and I like to present you some of the glimpses of my summer and fall harvest here. Also, I started my YouTube channel in July 2020. I'm also sharing few glimpses of my channel recipes and fun-filled interaction photos. Do watch and let me know how you liked it. Thank you. Hi viewers, I'm at my backyard today and this is my second watermelon harvest. That is my second one ready to harvest, and the third one, the baby one there growing. I'm super excited. The first one was very sweet and juicy. This is my second one. The second harvest ready, my second watermelon harvest. Super excited to harvest this. Hi viewers, I'm at my backyard now and super excited now to see my first harvest of French beans. Check out my vegetarian recipes and organic gardening videos in my channel Chai with Varu. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.